Build it and they will come. It's one of the most bullshit things you're ever going to hear.
Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome to part 3 of my series, Chasing the Indie Dream. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about one of the fundamentals, which is so important. In fact, without this one thing, you can be the best developer, you can make the best games in the world, but without this one thing, you are never going to find any success and you are never going to make any money. The thing I'm talking about is marketing. Why is marketing so important? Well, I'm living proof of that. When I first started, I did not know a single thing about making games. In fact, I still cannot code or do any of that technical stuff. But one thing I did learn was marketing. So, like I said, you can have the best game in the world. There are so many talented developers with so many amazing projects out there that never see the light of day because they lack the fundamentals of marketing. Marketing can be very overwhelming, especially if you are new to the space and you have no experience. So a lot of people kind of get caught up in trying lots of different things. At the end of the day, they waste their time and the needle does not move because they are splitting their efforts too thinly. So remember, you only have a certain amount of focus, and if you split that into different parts, you're never really going to move the needle in any one of them. So to overcome this, especially what I did in the beginning, and I like to be as transparent as I can with you guys. So basically, you need to focus on one marketing channel exclusively in the beginning, just to get some traction. So don't fall into the trap of trying to spread your focus thin on trying different marketing channels. Focus on one, the one where you feel you are best suited, the one where you feel you could get the most results. For example, if you are good with social media, I would go all in 100%, just focus on social media marketing. If you feel your strength is with ASO, then you want to solely focus on ASO. If you have financial backing, which I assume many of you don't if you are watching this channel, then you would go with paid user acquisition campaigns. So the key is to focus on one of them until you get the needle to move and until you get some traction. And then, like the other bigger studios, you can start experimenting with outside traffic sources. But most important, focus on one in the beginning. For me, I had a background in SEO. So if you don't know what SEO is, it's basically ranking websites for different search terms on Google. So it was not a big stretch for me to apply the same set of skills to ASO, which is App Store optimization. The fundamentals are the same, so I found it really easy to transfer the skills into ASO. And that's what allowed me to experience explosive growth. And that is how I was able to build my studio full time. Because even though my games were not polished, making games is the easy part because you can always delegate that, you can outsource that work to very talented people. But the marketing is really a struggle for 99% of people out there. So yeah, if you are able to get the traffic, you are also able to kind of optimize your games around that with that data that you do get. So yeah, especially if you don't have a budget, it is the way to go. So yeah, marketing is really important. If you look at the bigger studios, the big app businesses and the big game studios, they all have marketing departments for that sole purpose, to grow their user base. So it is something you should take very seriously if you do want to pursue your dream, becoming full-time. And unfortunately, there's no way around that. You just kind of have to be patient in the beginning because it is a process, especially when you don't have a budget. So when I started with ASO, it took me a good couple of years to become efficient enough where I could know what to look for and I could generate enough installs to bring me in some decent revenues. So believe me, I do know the struggle is real, but if you're persistent, you will get results. This is why I created my own online community where there are like-minded individuals, and it's a place where you can come and learn and grow together. The community is very helpful. They don't tear you down like numerous other social media groups. So it's all about helping each other grow. And I'm also in that group to help you along with every step of the way. And that includes any marketing problems. And you can learn from my experience. So I'll leave the link in the description below. It is completely free to join. So hopefully I can see you there. And if you did enjoy this video, please smash the like button. It means a lot to me. It does take a lot of effort to create these videos for you guys. YouTube pays me like $20 a month, so I don't get much from this channel, but it's all about giving back, and it's all about the love. So if you did enjoy that kind of content, please subscribe. I'll see you on part 4 next week. Stay safe and peace out.